Another one of my favorite tools is the Vibrance tool. So I usually include this in one of the essential steps, but it is your choice. The Vibrance tool is an adjustment layer again. It can be found here under like where the upside down triangle is. So when you click on that, again you get an adjustment layer with a mask. You've got two options. You've got Vibrance and Saturation. I would not do the saturation because it's quite fake. Some photos it looks quite good, others not so much. So don't do the saturation. Start with the Vibrance because it moves all the colours evenly without making it look unrealistic. So the Vibrance will make your subject brighter, keeping that tonal scale. Taking it backwards, you can actually saturate the photo so you can remove the colour. So again, your choice, use the slider. If you want to add a little bit of saturation, you can. Please make it as realistic as possible. And that is Vibrance. Too easy. Done.